Salut les amis, ça va? Soyez les bienvenus à Dacoba French Academy. J'espère que tu as aimé notre première leçon sur les salutations. Aujourd'hui, nous allons voir comment conjuguer le verbe s'appeler et le verbe appeler au présent de l'indicatif. D'accord? Nous allons voir comment conjuguer le verbe appeler et s'appeler au présent de l'indicatif. Voilà. Now, s'appeler et appeler. They are two separate and different verbs. Yes. Can they be used interchangeably? No. No. So, when you are to use s'appeler, you can't use appeler. And when you have to use appeler, you cannot also use s'appeler. All right? So they cannot be used interchangeably. No. Each of them has its own meaning, which is different from the other. Thank you. Let's continue to the lesson itself. Now, when do we use the appeler? The first one here is the appeler. When do we use appeler? What does it mean? Appeler means to call someone or something. Okay? To call someone or something. So, Robert is calling AC. Robert is calling AC. Who is calling AC? It is Robert. Okay? Robert is the one calling AC. AC is not calling herself. Robert is not calling himself. But Robert is calling AC. So appeler means to call someone or something. She is calling her dog. Okay? Alright, so that is the meaning of the verb appeler, to call someone or something. In simple present tense, we say j'appelle mon ami, for instance. J'appelle mon ami. And j'appelle mon ami means I am calling my friend. All right? I am calling my friend. Preferably, simple present tense in French is translated into English using the present continuous tense. So, j'appelle mon ami means I am calling my friend. So, I, Dacoba, I am the one calling my friend. I am not calling myself. No. All right? I am invoking the name of my friend. All right? Number 2. Tu appelles qui? Tu appelles qui? What is the meaning of tu appelles qui? Tu appelles qui means whom are you calling? All right? Whom are you calling? So you are calling someone that I don't know. So I'm trying to find out from you the person you are calling. Tu appelles qui? Très bien. Numéro 3. Il appelle le prof. Il appelle le prof. He is calling the professor. Who is calling the professor? Him. He is the one calling the professor. The professor in this case is not calling himself. He is not also calling himself, but he is calling the professor. So he is calling someone. Who? The professor. Number 4. Elle appelle son chat. Elle appelle son chat. She is calling her cat. What is she calling? Her cat. So we say appeler means to call someone or something. You see that? So elle appelle son chat. Then number five, we have on appelle ma soeur. On appelle ma soeur. The on there is impersonal, so it can be translated in English by saying they are calling my sister. Someone is calling my sister. In this case, my sister is not calling herself, but someone is calling her. And the number one, the J apostrophe, tu, il, and elle, they are singular personal pronouns. Ce sont des pronoms personnels singuliers. D'accord? You'll be learning it in a separate lesson. Personal pronouns, all right? And the combination. Okay. Now, let's move to the plural side of the personal pronouns. Thank you. With the plural, we have nous appelons nos camarades. Nous appelons nos camarades. You can see that here the L is only one. Why the L is only one? There is something there. I'll be explaining that later. So nous appelons nos camarades. We are calling our mates. We are calling our mate. So we are the one calling our mate. Remember, we say appeler means to call someone or something. Number 7. Vous appelez les policiers. Vous appelez les policiers. Are you calling the police or the policeman? Are you calling the policeman? Vous appelez les policiers. So, appeler. Appeler. Next, number 8. On dit, il appelle quelqu'un. Ils appellent quelqu'un. Even though you have ENT and EN sound in verbs at the end of verb, EN does not sound we ignore the and behave as if there is only E at the end of the word. So the word there, number 8, the word there is appel, not appelant. Not appelant. Il appelle quelqu'un. In oral French, ils appellent quelqu'un. They are calling someone. They are calling someone. Whom are they calling? I don't know. You don't know. But we know that they are calling someone. They are not calling themselves. They are calling someone. Number 9. Elle appelle le gros chien. Elle appelle le gros chien. They are calling the big dog or the fat dog. Elles appellent le gros chien. So the green words here, they are the conjugated form of the verb appeler. That is appelons, appeler, appelle, and appelle. Voila. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you are enjoying it. Now let's take an evaluation to see if you really understand the lesson. So here is an evaluation, a short exercise for you. A, we say complete these sentences with appelons, appelle, appeler, et puis appelle. So there are 3 sentences, but there you have 4 options. So one of them is incorrect. Okay, all right. So number one, we say Jonathan son frère. We want to say that Jonathan is calling his brother. So which of the words above there do we have to use the appropriate one? Number two, toi et moi, la vendeuse. One of the word there is correct for this sentence. Number three, qui, vous parmi nous. Qui, vous parmi nous. Whom are you calling among us? Number two, you and I are calling the seller. All right. And then number three, qui, vous parmi nous. Whom are you calling among us? That is the number three. Now B, we say write two sentences with A. Number four, that is appel. So the appel there, write a nice sentence in French. That is good to go with the word appel as in the number four. Now number five, another French sentence with that correct form of the verb. If you like this lesson, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification button so that the next time we shall upload a video, you will be the first person to have it and watch it, and so that we can all learn together. Please comment on this video, like it, and share it with others. We need to grow our mental capacity. French is a very good language. French is easy depending on who is teaching you. Here with Dacoba French Academy, have no worry at all. Step by step, everything will be okay. Thank you very much for choosing this platform. Thank you very much for subscribing to this channel, Dacoba French Academy. See you again in our lesson 3. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Bye bye.